Want to fill up a SD card quickly? The RX 100 VI will happily shoot a burst of 233 JPEG images at a staggering 24 FPS, a burst shooting speed that would make many high-end cameras look pedestrian, and a big improvement over the RX 100 V's 150 shots. It can shoot RAW at this burst rate as well, although the buffer is a little more modest at a still very impressive 109 RAW files, also an improvement over the RX 100 V's 77 RAWs. Curiously, however, the RX 100 VI's card slot is only UHS-I and not UHS-2, which means you may have to wait briefly while the camera writes the data to the card before making any changes to shooting settings. While the rear display may have seen a slight reduction in resolution compared to the RX 100V, you'd be hard-pressed to notice this in real-world shooting conditions. We actually used the new camera side by side with the RX 104, and couldn't discern any difference. If you think the pop-up electronic viewfinder might be a bit of a gimmick, you'll be pleasantly surprised when you lift it up to your eye. There are certainly larger and brighter EVFs out there, but for a camera of this size it's very good indeed, with a crisp display and generous field of view. As we found on the RX 100V, the RX 100 VI's multi-zone metering system is a dependable one, while you shouldn't have to stray too far from the camera's auto-white balance to achieve decent results under a range of lighting conditions. Battery performance is identical to the RX 100V's at 220 shots if you're planning on using both the rear display and EVF, but this can be extended to 310 shots provided you shoot solely with the rear display and have this set to its auto-off mode. You may want to consider an optional battery, although the RX 100 VI does support direct USB charging.